We wanted to build up the drama here. Okay, that's a fancy new. Is that new, Ralph, that graphic, the little musical thing? He doesn't know. He's left. Okay, great. Thank you, Rob. All right, the latest survey is out, a Challenger survey showing that job cuts actually fell 40%. That's year over year last month. Now, a lot of people use this as sort of a barometer where the economy is going, because obviously you look at activity in the small business front, that can pursue what happens on the big business front. It's good for the economy overall. It might set the stage for an interesting jobs report tomorrow. Let's get the read from the former U.S. Small Business Administrator, Hector Barreto. Hector, very good to have you back. What does this survey tell us?
Well, I think it's telling us it's going in the right direction. It's obviously less than what we saw last month. We're also showing about 200,000 new jobs going into the economy almost on a monthly basis. So this is positive. And remember, the small businesses create 2/3 of the net new jobs. Those 30 million companies are really the engine of the economy. So
how is this pace change? We know year over year what's been happening, but I'm trying to trace a lot of this too and ask you whether any of this is driven by the tax cut, the more money and cash available to do this sort of thing. What?
Well, I think it's a combination of things. Obviously, you have to look at what industries you're starting to see some of those cuts. And so we see some cuts, for example, in the healthcare industry, some in the retail space. But we also saw a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of decisions that were being made after that tax cut. You know, a lot of large companies like Comcast and Southwest Airlines gave bonuses to their employees. A lot of money's going back into the economy, something like $126 billion. More money's going into charity. And all of that stokes the optimism of the small business sector. Remember, 30 million companies out there. If they're not growing, our economy can't grow.
And regulations have been a big factor, too.
That's a huge factor, Neil. And I think sometimes that goes unnoticed. But when you take the foot off of the pedal, so to speak, especially for those businesses that are affected by a lot of regulation over the last 8 years, that is a tremendous help to them and creates that optimism and makes people feel that things are going to get better. Obviously, that's when they start making the investments of hiring people, restocking inventories, buying new locations, etc. So I think the tax cut was incredibly important, not only to the psychology, but to the reality of the decisions that small and big businesses are making.
All right. Thank you, my friend. Very good having you back. Hector Barreto.